Welcome to GRiPOFlow. GRiPOFlow is an all-in-one workflow automation platform that helps you automate almost anything you can imagine. From cloud operations and DevOps pipelines to security tasks, business processes, and even AI-powered workflows, GRiPOFlow allows you to connect your tools, design smart workflows, and let automation do the work for you. In today's tutorial, we are going to create our very first workflow using the AI Agent Sandbox example. In this workflow, we'll scan JavaScript packages for vulnerabilities and automatically send the full report through email. Before we start creating the workflow, make sure of two things. You already have a connection of GRiPO-GPT configured. You already have sandboxes created because we'll use those sandboxes inside this workflow. So now, let's get started. Click on the Workflow tab. Now, click on the Create button. Two steps will appear. In the first step, give a name to your workflow. Add a short description related to this workflow. Select the number of retries as needed, add relevant tags, and choose On Demand as the trigger type. Click on the Next button. I'm skipping this step since I only want to create a simple workflow. If needed, you can create variables here. Now, click on the Submit button. Now the workflow is created. Click on the plus button to add a new node. From the Applications list, select Sandbox. Choose Bash from the Action list. Now a form will appear on the screen. Inside the form, select Get Packages, JSON Sandbox from the drop-down list. Then move to the Script field. Here, write the script. Now this script will fetch the packages from the GitHub repository. Click on the Submit button. Once submitted, the first sandbox is added successfully. Now click on the plus button again to add another step. From the Applications list, choose Sandbox. Again, select Bash from the Action list. Now, from the Sandbox dropdown, choose Review Packages, JSON Sandbox. After that, go to the Script field and paste the script for this sandbox. This sandbox will scan all the JSON packages, check for vulnerabilities, outdated versions, and security issues. After adding the script, click on the Submit button. Now the workflow will review and analyze all package files automatically. Now we will create the final vulnerability report. For this, add another sandbox. Click on the plus button. Select Sandbox from the Applications list. Then choose Bash from the Action list. Now from the dropdown, select Template Report Sandbox. Go to the Script field and paste the script for generating the report. This sandbox will create a complete formatted report using the scanned package results. After adding the script, click on the Submit button. We will send this report through email automatically. Click on the plus button again. Select Email from the Applications list. A form will appear. Fill all the required details, then click on the Submit button. Now your workflow is ready. Click on the Save button to save the workflow. After saving, click on the Run button to check whether the workflow is working correctly or not. The workflow will now fetch packages from the GitHub repository, review package vulnerabilities, generate a complete report, and send the report automatically through email. You can also monitor every step of the workflow by opening the Execution section, where all activity logs, outputs, and errors are available in real time. As you can see, the JavaScript package vulnerability report has been successfully sent to the configured email address. With GRiPOFlow, you can automate complex security and DevOps tasks using AI agents and sandboxes without manual effort, making your workflows faster, smarter, and more reliable. Thank you for watching.